guys, KaitGiggles here, and I am back with another video, another unboxing video. But it's nothing I've done before, it's nothing I've unboxed before, and if you read the title, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I guess if you want to know what I got in my fall FabFitFun box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so it came in a huge box because I didn't just get the FabFitFun box. I bought two extras, two little add-ons as well, so I'm going to be showing you those as well. Okay, so the first thing I see is something I'm super excited about. That actually kind of goes with my theme. Ooh. Okay. As in, I'm wearing a berry lip because I'm so ready for fall. And basically same color. Oh my god. I'm super excited to open this. So, the first thing, I saw this on their website and I automatically knew I wanted it, but it was very difficult for me to decide between the two colors because you either had black, which black is my favorite color, so, or lack thereof color, or this beautiful burgundy color, which is what I got. It's a purse! A beautiful, beautiful purse that so goes with my color scheme right now. It's kind of small, but then again, every purse I have is small because I'm not one to carry around a big bag. It's just too much for me. And I'm a tiny person, so a big bag is gonna look huge if I have to carry it around. But this is the perfect size for me. Literally. There's a few pockets, I could put my phone in them. It's just very open and I like that. I don't like where a purse has a whole bunch of pockets because then I can't find anything. And if I can just throw things in, it makes my life easier. Okay, so the next thing I got is a flat iron. This was, that purse, if you added it on with your FabFitFun, is $29. This flat iron is also $29. It's a Numi Fashionista straightener in the shade turquoise. I just needed a flat iron, a straightener, whatever you want to call it. So this is what it looks like. I'm super excited to open it. Like I said previously, I've gotten FabFitFun boxes before. I didn't get the summer box because I was trying to save money. But then I saw what came in the summer box and I was so mad at myself. And so I was just you know what, screw it. It's not gonna happen again. I'm going to get the fall box and every box afterwards. If you don't know, FabFitFun box, it's a not monthly subscription box, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you get it 4 times a year, summer, fall, winter, spring. And it is $49.99 if you want to pay it each season, or there's an all-around cost that you can pay up front right as soon as you sign up for it. And I think it saves you money in the long run, so you can do that. I'll definitely leave a link to FabFitFun's website down in the description box, so if you want to go check it out, see what they're all about, then yeah, you can check out the link in the description box. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Without dropping anything, this is what it looks like. And it gives you a little magazine-esque thing. And in it you have like articles and what's actually in the box, and yeah, just different things. And it tells you the prices, and each thing also has a tip with it, just to kind of like help you out. So yeah, there's that. I'll probably be looking at that throughout the video. I think it's time to open it completely and see what's inside. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. It's like packed full. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go with this. It is Glam Glow Bubble Sheet, Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. So it is a face mask. It looks like that. Ooh, a shower gel. Blue in Capri shower gel by the company Skin & Co. With notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. And this is the Italian collection. It looks like that. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh. There's a slight mintiness to it, but it's like a very foresty, woodsy scent, which I'm not the biggest fan of. So I was able to pick and choose some of the items, not all the items, in my box. I don't remember what was against this, but I chose earbuds, wireless earbuds, because why not? Just looks like that. I'm excited. I've been wanting some wireless ones for when I'm at work and not managing. I'm excited for this. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a towel. Oh. Okay. It's by the brand Simply Whimsical, and it's just a towel. I'm not gonna open it up. And it's striped. Very nice, very nice. What is this? This is Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. Okay, you don't tell me what you are. Oh yeah, okay, so this tells me what I had to choose from. So with the earbuds, it was either that or an umbrella, which of course I choose the earbuds. So this cream, this day cream is chock full of active ingredients like, I don't know what that says, rosehip oil, jojoba oil to visibly improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, soothe skin, and repair UV damage. Okay, so apply in upward and outward motions, working from the center of the face and neck. So it's for your face. Okay. Cool. exciting. So face cream. Definitely gonna have to give that a go. I'll let you know how I like that or not, or if I like that or not. So it looks like they give us a beauty blender. Ooh. I haven't had like the original beauty blender. I've never had. I like this. Cool. That's exciting. So let's go for this next. So this is another thing. You had to choose between a teapot or a French press, and I chose the French press. I do not drink tea, hot tea at least. I do get an occasional Arizona iced tea. And you know what? Eventually I'm gonna get an apartment, so I think this will be cool to have in my apartment. Yeah, I've never owned a French press before. Ooh, it gives you instructions on how to use it. That'd be nice. I'll have to try and make a cup of coffee with this and see how it goes. So this is a lipstick duo. It is by the company Touch in Soul, and let's open it up. It's in a cool, funky, diamond-like packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. So it's two. Okay, so this side is a liquid lipstick and this side is a gloss. So you wear them together or separately, whichever. And I'm gonna swatch these real quick. Ooh. So that's what the liquid lipstick looks like. So it's a very coppery shade. It's very pretty. It kind of reminds me of my Smashbox liquid lipstick that I got in my BoxyCharm that I haven't filmed. Now, you could definitely wear the gloss by itself. There's a lot of pigment there. Very shiny, whereas the liquid lipstick isn't. But yeah, you can definitely wear it by itself. Very pretty. I'm gonna have to give this a go. Try it out, see how I like it on my lips, like the color. Okay, I think this is the last thing. And it is a 6-piece brush set by Crown Pro. Comes packaged like this. Looks like this. So this is a big one, a big brush. I don't know what I would use this for. Ooh, I could use this as my bronze. My bronzing brush, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I could definitely, yeah. I think I'd probably use this as my bronzing brush. And then you get this nice angled brush. Which you could use as contour or maybe even like a blush. I don't know. You get 6 brushes in total. And then you have this brush, just an eyeshadow brush. I guess you could use this one probably to blend. It's very, yeah. I don't know brushes. I just use what I think would work for the look that I'm going for. Eventually I'll get brushes down and understand what each brush and what type of brush is meant for what. But at the moment, I don't have that down. Okay, so this is like if you want to pack on shade, I know that. Like shades on your eyes, like, it's really big, like, maybe like carve out, maybe, I don't know, carve out your crease. It's very big and flat. It's a flat brush. It's a little small angled brush for like eyeliner or your brows. So yeah, it comes in a set like that. Very neat. And this is the black with rose gold. And that is it. Let's see here. And this total box value is between $285.97 to $375.94. So depending on what you chose, like what I chose, I do the math real quick, but kind of filming this on my phone. Okay, so I just did the math, and my box, the box that I got, is $285.97, which is the lowest you could get. So if you choose different things, obviously I got the brush set, which is $75, but if you were to get the purse, it would have been $128, so that if you get the more expensive items, it adds up quickly. So yeah, that is what I got in my FabFitFun box. I'm excited to try out all these new products and just try everything that I got, using the brushes, the beauty blender, the headphones. I probably won't use the shower gel. Maybe I'll give that to one of my brothers because it's just not for me. I'm excited to use the French press. Excited to use my straightener and carry around my new bag. I'm just excited. I love FabFitFun. If you got some similar things, let me know if you like them, if you use them, yeah, just let me know down in the comments. So I guess that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I always love to read comments, and hit that big red subscribe button to make my day. I say a lot, and I am sorry. It's just how I get my thoughts all processed. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful night or morning whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!